Today we're trying 2 viral keto-friendly breakfast hacks because we're gonna be transforming the way that you feel and the way that we feel about eggs. Eggs are boring, typically, but these hacks make them seem elevated in a way that we have not tried before. Therefore, we're gonna make you try them with us today. Sarah and I have had an egg aversion for a long time, but we're ready to dip our toe back into the egg pool because eggs are kind of coming down a little bit in price these days, especially where we're at, and so it's time to start adding them back in because they're a great source of protein and fat early on in the day. Sarah and I don't typically eat breakfast, but you guys are asking, what can I do for breakfast that's exciting and easy? And so we found 2 recipes that we're gonna try. The first recipe is by Chef Josh Gale, and we're gonna be leaving his account linked in the description. And this is a revolutionary way to cook scrambled eggs. It has a viral ingredient in it, which is cottage cheese. So let's get started. So you guys, we have been drinking Element every single day since 2020 because we love the way it tastes and the way it makes us feel on our keto lifestyle. We love Element so much and they are the sponsor of this video. Element contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. And that's important because when your body goes into ketosis, you shed a lot of water, and inside that water are your electrolytes. This can leave you feeling tired, having muscle cramps, or nausea, and we call that the keto flu. Element replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better, and it is literally the best tasting electrolyte supplement that we have ever tried. Sarah and I like all of the flavors of Element, but our absolute favorites are the grapefruit salt and the citrus salt. You need to try them. And right now you can get a free 8-count sample pack of Element's most popular drink mix flavors with any purchase. Just go to drinklmnt.com/ketotwins. Find your favorite flavor or share some with a friend.
Or drink them all.
Or drink them all, exactly. I'm not sharing with anybody. So all you're gonna be needing for this recipe are eggs, cottage cheese, olive oil, and salt.
Seems easy.
Right, and he does serve it on a beautiful piece of sourdough, but that is not keto. And we thought, what could we do to kind of play into this, to kind of experience what he experiences? And we're just gonna go with a keto bagel. This is the one by Hero. We keep some in the fridge at all times, the freezer. This is gonna be our vehicle for these luscious eggs. You can use a chaffle. You could use a piece of keto-friendly bread. Use whatever you want. We're gonna be using this. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna start putting together our eggs. This is a 1-pot, 1-pan dish. We're gonna crack 4 eggs into this not microwave. We're gonna crack 4 pans. We're gonna crack 4 eggs into this.
Is it a pan? I don't know.
Pan dish.
Tomato.
Exactly. Potato.
I don't think it's potato.
This is your generic cottage cheese because all of you keep on buying the good stuff.
Good culture.
Yeah. I do love good culture, but we can't find it anymore.
Yeah.
Because cottage cheese is the viral ingredient of 2025. So
and 2024.
This is the generic one.
It will do.
Yeah. Half a cup of cottage cheese. He put it right in the middle.
Okay.
And then he put olive oil.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do exactly what he did. If I opened it. Okay.
That would be important.
Like that. And then you just put some salt. That's it.
Wait, do you mix it?
Nope. What? Nope. All right, onto a tray. And we're actually gonna put our bagel on here. We're sharing one because we share things. Like a womb.
I knew that you were gonna say that.
Oven for 15 minutes. It looks like a deconstructed plate. Doesn't seem like it's long enough, but he didn't give a baking temperature. I'm just assuming it's 350. Everything is 350.
Did you check the comments?
No. I took a peek and I don't like the way it looks.
Ew.
Yeah. Ew is right.
Wait.
Let me see something. Is it done? Oh, well, I guess.
It's still really wet.
No, it isn't.
I mean, it's really soft.
The eggs are done, no. I think it is done. Okay. I think that the magic comes when you stir it all together.
And our bagel's done for sure, so.
Okay. See, that doesn't look right, but.
Okay, well, we'll follow the creator because it's gonna sit while we do our second hack, right? So it will have more time to cook.
Okay. So our next breakfast hack comes from a Michelin star, very famous chef.
I've eaten at his restaurants.
Sarah has, I have not yet.
It was
by
very
Jose
good.
Andres. I'm gonna play it for you.
I mix 1 egg with 1 big spoon of mayo. I whisk a bit of fat. I put oil and butter, I think a little bit. I put it in the microwave, 30-40 seconds. The best omelette in the history of mankind.
Okay.
The
Well,
best omelet in the history of mankind.
coming from a Michelin star. chef.
Exactly. And guess what? He's putting mayo in it. I thought it was kind of gross, but then I realized mayo is mostly egg and oil. So it makes sense. We're gonna do exactly what he says to make the best omelet in the history of mankind.
It's a lot of pressure.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna put 1 egg. He greases the ramekin with butter.
I mean, this would be perfect on the, you know, on a school morning or a work morning. How much? 40 seconds or something?
He says 30 to 40 seconds.
Crazy.
So pop 1 egg into each. We're gonna make 2 because Sarah is a person.
Thank you.
A spoon of mayo. He uses a tablespoon.
Okay.
I can eyeball a tablespoon.
Yeah, right. No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. Tablespoon?
Sure. I don't know. We are using Duke's.
I know. It's the one I like. I don't want to hear anything about my mayo choice. I like what I like. And if mayo is my downfall, so be it. That's my workout for today. Half in there. Half in there. Into the microwave for 30 seconds.
Did you say 30 to 40?
Yes, but I'm gonna do 30. I don't know. While that's happening, we're gonna stir the other eggs.
Maybe it's gonna be.
I don't know. Ugh. I think we need to put this back in for a little bit. That just looks runny to me, so. 15 minutes, I don't think so. Please be something. No.
Let me see.
10 more seconds.
Oh, it is there. It is cooked at least.
Okay.
Let's cook both of those.
Everybody is a liar. Look at it.
Cute.
Cool. Okay, I'm gonna put this in for
Looks like a rose.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this in for 40 seconds because I feel like we took it out, we put it back in, 40 seconds. We're gonna cook the oven eggs a little bit more, maybe 5 or 7 minutes or so, and then we're going to serve it on top of our hero bagel with a little bit of green onion and everything bagel. The other one we're just gonna put on a plate and try it downstairs. I figure we should try the best omelet of all mankind.
Yeah, that's a big
first.
statement.
Right. It looks like a rosette. It's really pretty, actually. Look how cute that is.
So they did top it with Parmesan in the video. So
And I don't
like it.
It's not that I don't like it. It's just like that's all I smell.
I think this is like a less pungent Parmesan
Yeah.
that I buy, actually.
It is pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. Very fluffy, light.
Mhm.
The texture is very nice. The
Creamy.
design is very nice.
40 seconds. 2 ingredients. For what it is, I would say I agree with him.
For what it is.
Right.
Right. The simplicity of
And he
it.
called it an omelet. He didn't call it a pot pie.
For what it is an elevated taste.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, an omelet is usually like something in the middle of the eggs, you know, like ham and cheese or something like that. So I don't know.
Top it with bacon or...
Yeah. You know, I was thinking if you used truff mayo instead of regular mayo, would that be good? Because remember, like a long time ago, we made
Right.
that ricotta eggs or something. We topped it with some truffle oil
Yeah.
and Parmesan
That was really
cheese,
good.
chili flake, and it was super delicious. I wonder if just switching that out for some truff mayo would make a difference. But it's very simple,
Very good.
delicious.
This kind of reminds me of the ricotta egg that we did. It's similar. It's cottage cheese, you know?
Pretty, very aesthetic, I
You
think.
get this at a restaurant.
Right.
Keto Twins Cafe.
Coming
Never.
soon.
Coming never.
Coming.
I would have a panic attack and close the
2030.
first day. I wish that we would have buttered our bagel.
I thought about that as we were putting it in the oven, but I forgot to tell you that, so.
Oh. Wow. This is divine.
It has some crispy bits on there with the sesame seeds. The bagel is delicious.
It would be great on a chaffle too. This could be a dinner. If you ate the entire bagel and you ate 4 eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, a little olive oil, that's dinner.
Was that one serving?
Yeah. I would eat this again, 100%. I would eat them both.
You know, it did take longer than we thought it was going to. Maybe like closer to 20, 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Normally when I'm making scrambled eggs, I have to sit there and continuously like stir it. So the fact that I could walk away and then just scramble it when it comes out, it's kind of like a scramble egg salad. I like it. And you get like the jammy yolky parts too in there, which you're kind of lost when you make scrambled eggs. It kind of just like,
Yeah.
there's different textures in here.
These were both awesome. Easy, awesome, simple. I would eat them both again if you had to pick one or the other.
I think I like this one better.
Really?
Yeah, I just felt like it was just
More.
not
It
more.
had more ingredients.
Right. Like I said, it has more variety, texture, flavor. The other one is simple. It reminds me of like a French omelet or something. It's like the whole thing is going to taste the same from start to finish. Anyway, I don't want to go too deeply into it. The omelet is probably the best microwave omelet
Of all time.
of mankind.
Right. So if you guys see any other breakfast hacks that you want us to try, let us know in the comment section below. We would love to hear it. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it, and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.
It's an excellent experience.
Okay.